Hey, my name is Chris Elliott Plays Games. I am a new YouTuber that just started, and my first video. Sorry about this. Always ask before switching. I just have that kind of laptop. Sorry I didn't get this fully ready, but let's go. Compass. That's not too hard. And I need to erase that. Circle. North. South. Oh, dang it. Baby. Okay. Got it. Okay, first one, I'm just going to draw a long nose. That. And then I don't know how to draw an elephant, so I'm just going to give up there. Sorry about that. Snowflake, got it. I'll just do this. I don't know how to draw snowflake either, so sorry about that. Sorry about this terrible drawing skills. I really suck at drawing. Chair. I suck at drawing everything. I'm sorry. I'm sorry if this video is a little short, by the way. My screen recorder won't allow it to be over 10 minutes. So, yeah, that's a problem. But it ain't too bad. Dang it. Mailbox. Oh, this should be easy. Probably won't be actually. But okay. There. That's the best I can do. Check that sucks. Microwave. We'll just gotta draw a box inside a box. So, for box, that's a. Now I'll draw a rectangle for buttons. Dang it. Okay, I got compass, right? I did? That's cool. I didn't know I got it right. This. Yeah. But the one on the top left is the one I was going, kind of what I was going for. Sorry about the south being on the wrong side. I don't know my compasses. Let's go back. Elephant, of course I got wrong. Oh, most people make it face towards you. That makes sense. But I still made it. It wasn't good. Okay, snowflake. Yeah. Okay, these people are better drawers than I am. 100%. Chair. I think I would have thought I got it right if they gave me just a little more time for dance, so, because I was almost finished. Mailbox. Ew. So, that is what, okay, sorry. And then microwave, I got this one right. Tried to add a little button thing there, but it didn't work. So yeah, sorry about that thing. Sorry. I guess this is the end of the video. So, bye.